Hi lovely people, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we made these shortbread cookies without oven using only 3 ingredients. Yes, you heard me right, only 3 ingredients. These are the ingredients I'll be making use of. I made use of 3 cups of soft flour. You can also make use of hard flour or all-purpose flour. And I have half a cup of powdered sugar and then 250 grams of margarine. In place of margarine, you can use butter. So I'll transfer the ingredients into my mixing bowl. So here I'm transferring the margarine. As you can see, it's at room temperature. So you make sure the margarine is soft. Then I'll add in the powdered sugar. Then I'll mix it until it becomes very creamy. The margarine and the sugar is now well mixed, so I'll go ahead and sift my flour into this gradually. Thank you for watching to this point. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you. At this point, I'll go in with my hand and mix this very well to form a dough. So I've washed my hands, so when you're doing this, you need to make sure your hands are very clean. Right now, I'm putting some flour on my work surface, then after that, I'll transfer the dough here and continue. I will transfer the dough into this rubber so that I can use my rolling pin to flatten the dough. This is to make sure that it doesn't get sticky or break when I'm rolling it out. So the thickness of the dough should be about half an inch. So I'm now going to cut the rough part out, after which I will cut into my desired sizes and shapes. I'll use the fork to create some tiny holes in it to give it that beautiful look. Our fire is ready. This is where I'll be baking the cookies. So I've placed this pot on fire and I'll add some salt to it. You can actually use sand, but I prefer to use the salt. So after adding the salt, I'll go ahead and cover it and allow it to heat up. I'll be transferring the unbaked shortbread into this pan, but before that, I had to oil it with some of the margarine. And I also added some flour to ensure that the shortbread does not stick to the pan. I'm now transferring it into the pan and you can see the thickness is about half an inch as I said earlier. Our pan has heated up enough, the one I placed on fire, so I'll transfer this into it so that will serve as our oven. Then I'll cover it with a lid, a heavy lid, and after that I'll use another lid to cover the bigger pan. At this point, we need to make sure the fire is on medium heat. Then after about 15 minutes I checked and they were ready. When I checked, I realized it was ready, so I took it off the fire. I'll remove this from the bigger pan. And here we have our shortbread cookies looking so yummy. It has cooled down a bit, so this is how it looks like. As we can see, it is well baked. So I followed the same process to bake the second batch, and that is how to bake shortbread cookies without oven.